Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice having you back. And in this video, I will be talking about conquering poverty. In case you're joining me for the first time, my name is Marifat Damilola, and in this video, I will be discussing the causes of poverty in Nigeria as large itself, and even we individuals or as a family, reasons why we are facing poverty problem. So firstly, I would like to talk about the poverty issues in Nigeria. I found out that the government have not been answering to our needs in the country, and that has bring about the high rate of poverty. As at last year during the lockdown, a lot of families face a lot of poverty in their homes. Lack of food, lack of clothing. Some couldn't even stay in their respective house, because they could not pay up their rents. So this has caused a lot of damage in most homes. In fact, that's cost people their marriage, because they couldn't cope with them not being able to meet their daily needs. And this lockdown actually tied most people down, especially people that are into business. Even the office workers too, they could not go to work, and people that are into business couldn't go to their respective shops and offices for their business. So this tied people down, and they could not meet up with their daily needs. Even lack of food, people could not even feed themselves due to this pandemic last year. So before these businesses and this office couldn't shape back to their normal size, check back to how they were before, it has not been easy. Even up to date, they could not even meet up with what they've been before. And this pandemic also caused people then it caused people losing their jobs. So some offices, some workers, some employers, they actually retrenched their employees. They retrenched them, and some lost their job, and some couldn't have anything to feed on. And that causes a lot of issues last year. Even up till now, some couldn't even get another job. And this has made this high poverty rates in Nigeria increased. So now I discovered that people, even the office worker, they are not saving up the amount of money expected of them from their salary. Little earning they are earning, actually they are not saving for them for another side also. If they want if they if this their businesses is not going well, they can be able to shift into other things. But this pandemic has also taught these people that they should save their money for another business. They should have another side also. For now, as an office worker, or maybe you are a civil servant, you see them, they will have a business of egg in one shop, whereby when they come back from work, they will go back to their business. They will go to their business and sell some of those things. In fact, they even go to the extent of hiring sales girl to help them stay in shop, at least so they can get money and pay that kind of person at the end of the month. So this has taught people this a lot of ideas to always have another side also aside from the work they are doing. So, and this issue of poverty, it's increasing day by day, because a lot of people are not been haven't been able to utilize their income per month. They could not even save up. At times they just spend everything before the end of the month without any savings. That is not so good. That is not so good. At the end of the day, when they lose that kind of job, they won't have anything to fall back on, because they didn't prepare for the future. So firstly, you need to have a business you are doing before you can cover poverty. You need to have a business. There should be something you are doing that will be bringing you money. Assuming you are an entrepreneur, you should be able to have sales. At least it's bringing you money day by day. You have a lot to save. Even you have a lot that is coming in, and profit is also coming at the end of the day. So from this money, you go and stock your shop and get more profit as it goes on. So even before you can conquer poverty, you should be able to have a business, or you should be able to have something doing. You can't just sit at home and expect money to come in just like that, and you won't work, you won't do anything. It's not good enough. You need to have something doing that is bringing you money. Even aside from being an entrepreneur, self-employed, even if you are an apprentice and you are willing to have your own shop at the time, you should be able to manage it well. You should be able to save, have income that is bringing money for you day by day. Even as a self-employed, you have better chances than those people that are working in the office, because anytime, any day, you make your money. But as an office worker, if you don't have any other thing you are doing aside from this office you are into, or you are into under somebody or under a company that that is giving you salary, and you are not having another thing you are doing, so there will definitely be a problem at the end of the day, because at times these employers, they just give some of their workers sack letter. Sometimes even their contract staffs, they tell them that, sorry, we don't need the service again. And this is the big problem at the end of the day for that kind of family. So as a family, you need to have, as a family man or a family woman, you have children to cater for, you need to double your hustle. You need to give yourself extra mile of hustle to get there. You need that intention that, yes, I want to succeed in what you are doing, and that is how you conquer poverty. Even if you have save up this money and you have profits on ground, you need to invest in some other things in order to conquer poverty. At times, business run down due to one or two things and the other. If you invest in something like you invest in land property, you invest in house, you buy houses, and you buy them and resell them, as the case may be, you can actually build houses and give it out for rent to people, so that it's yearly, or even most times it brings money in, and you use it for other things. So investing in business, in other business, is also helping conquering poverty, because at the end of the day, you have something to fall back on in your daily life. So the bottom line here is, you should be able to have something done at for a start, for you to save up. If you save up, you have other businesses. In other businesses, you invest in other things. That is very, very useful. You don't just lose your money to other things. Money is business. Business is money. You need money for everything you want to do. So in this my video, I think I've been able to enlighten my audience that you should be able to invest in your future, not just today. Not just look at it as in you are seeing money today, money will definitely come tomorrow. It's not done that way. You should be able to prepare for the future. You should be able to prepare for the worst at the end of the day. Because last year, under that pandemic, nobody expected it, and nobody would think they would fall back to zero. People that have been enjoying life before couldn't enjoy life again due to them not being able to save up for the future. So thanks so much for watching this video. That's all for this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye.